Hi, this is Mr. Terrell. I'm just recording this for those students that are in the fall of 2021 in Chemistry 100. I want to navigate the background of Blackboard content. What you see is what you get in terms of logging on to the Blackboard. You'll see my home page with my picture there and an introduction video, kind of a generalized introduction. The most important thing to pay attention to is the left-hand column margin. You see over here all of these things. Those of you that are used to using Blackboard will not have a problem with this, but you'll see right here, it's my home page. There's a welcome activity that you'll be asked to do. And then there's course announcements. You should be going to those or should have gotten that even without logging in. There's the course syllabus, which I'm asking you to look through. If you look at the course announcement, it asks you to do several things. And then what we're going to do is take a look at the course structure. And you're going to go to the Start Here. Now, the textbook will enable you to get the text, but that'll also be explained in Start Here. So we just click on Start Here, and you have several items that you'll want to pay attention to. Successful strategies for online and hybrid learning. But the most important of these would be technology. So we want to do these things that I suggest here. There are 5 different things that I'm asking you to do. Check your Windows-based computer. Make sure it's not an Apple. Apples are difficult to use in this context, particularly with Word documents that are sent out. So you'll need to check that. You remember to attend the first class, which is on October 30th. So that's the first thing you want to go to is the Start Here button, and that's in the left-hand column over here, which we call the left-hand column main menu. And this is where you're going to basically be doing. The next thing you want to do is you want to click on, after you've looked at the syllabus and the schedule, and perhaps downloaded that schedule, you want to click on Course Expectations Assignment. Very straightforward. You're going to look through some assignments. I want to make sure you can do the assignment page and kind of get a handle on what that means. And then we're going to go and ask you to do just to put in your name that you've read the sort of generalized things of what my expectations are. And then you're going to download it and resubmit it with your name attached so that I know that you've actually taken a look at that. That'll give you a good idea of what we're expecting in the course. One of the things that's kind of valuable is the calendar, the Blackboard calendar. That will list all of your assignments. Right now I'm recording in July, so obviously there's no assignments here. But if we move to August or September, you'll notice that there's a listing of all of your assignments, or will be a listing of all of your assignments in these boxes. It's a good way to keep track of assignments and so forth. So we're going past that. The most important link for the generalized course here is learning module links. Now I do this a little bit differently in Chem 100 than other classes. You aren't directly linked into the learning module. Instead, you're linked into a calendar of sorts, which gives you all the dates for all of the modules, and you have a link. We're on module 1 starting the first part of the course. You have a link here that you'll be able to click on, and the link will take you out to some of the things that we're going to be doing here in the course. And so you just go out, take that link, go out to that link, and you'll find out everything. And you notice that it's outlined very nicely. There are 8 modules in the course outlined here. It tells you in this outline what the module discussions are. There'll be discussion required each week. Fairly general, not it's kind of a resource to get you involved in the course. And then you'll notice my presentations that I'm going to be doing, and then you're going to have your assignments listed over here. And so when you click on this will allow you to, it'll take you out to all of that kind of assignment requirements in the course. The next thing you see after learning modules is test modules. Please go out to the test modules. when we have a test. As you'll see, there are tests. I probably can't bring, yes I can, good. This would be test 1, so that'll be the only thing that's on there. You'll notice the due dates and so forth. You'll have to have Fridays scheduled each week, or I'm sorry, every other week. We'll have a test, so there'll be 8 tests in each module. Kind of a demanding thing, but I have had good experience with this. It keeps students very aware of what's going on in terms of the course. There will be a student media project that will be also open. I'm going to open it the first part of the year. I haven't been doing that, but that's going to be due November 12th. And any scientific topic, chemistry related, that you can be involved in and sort of get yourself absorbed in. Something that gets you excited, whether you're a welder or environmental student or whatever you are. Something that has sort of turned your head a little bit. Starfish is very important because that will be where your attendance is recorded. The My Grades, I haven't emphasized this in the past, but if you go to My Grades, I sometimes make comments on your work. I sometimes make comments that might be valuable to you. If you submit these assignments, you'll notice that sometimes there's a comment, excellent work, or perhaps this could be better, or in what way it could be better. So that's an important thing to go out to. Now, if you have questions on this, there are some resources here, campus and online resources, but you can also get a hold of me at Chem Tyrrell, Tyrrell @gmail.com. So if you have any questions, even initially, as you viewed this video, you're welcome to just send me a little email, and we can square things away. I basically communicate with email. I'll also be using Remind, but I'll let you know more about that in the beginning of the semester. Please take advantage of early viewing of the Blackboard course. It's open up on August 25th before classes start on the 30th. Please take advantage of that, get some things done, get the course expectation assignment done, resubmitted, so that I know that you're online and able to do that. I will be online at 1 o'clock. This is a hybrid course, and so we have Monday and Friday are the hybrid, are the online section. On Wednesday we'll be in class, but we'll also be doing an online presentation at the same time simultaneously. So, but Fridays have to be available every other week because of the testing situation. So you want to make sure you've cleared that Friday. In fact, you should make sure you clear all of your schedule from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, just to make sure that you don't miss anything. Attendance is graded, and that is in the syllabus. If you look at the syllabus, it's a part of the participation grade. It does add points to your final grade, is the way that it's calculated. I appreciate it. Again, my email address is chemtyrrell. Let's take another look at that. You can go right from my home page once that's open. It's chemtyrrell @gmail.com. I also use campus email, but I'd rather have you use my personal email. It'll be a lot easier because I have a lot of administrative type emails that are sent to me, and they sometimes get confused with student emails. So follow along. First thing you want to do is you want to go and you want to get to the Start Here button. That'll allow you to just get started in the course, give you a framework, and direct you from there. Make sure you get online as quickly as possible, and let me know if you have any problems. I hope we have a good semester here, and welcome to Chem 100. Thank you.